What's up, guy? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, my name is Hello Baby Official. Guys, thank you for the love and the support. Thank you for the returner subscriber. I wanna appreciate on that. And in case you're new here, subscribe and let me know in the comment section what do you think about this vlog for today. And it's a special day to me, and I thank God. I wake up in the morning, I'm okay, I'm healthy enough, and I said to my mama, she was quick recover, and she told me I'm feeling better and better, and I said, wow guys, so that is the best way I can support my mama. So guys, by watching my videos, and today I can give you some quick tour from this place here, and I think it's not familiar, guys. In case you're new here, you can know where I'm coming from, guys. I'm just coming from on this beautiful building that you see here, and it stay here for long time ago, guys. Imagine when I was a kid, guys, I'm trying to come and pray inside here, but nowadays they closed everything. Yeah, so we pray here when you are a kids, and no one who's staying inside here. Imagine, guys, look. So we have empty house like this in our village here, and maybe other people outside there are struggling to have a house like this. So it's remind me during time when I was a kid, and he's just a neighbor to David Jr., guys. Imagine David Jr.'s compound is over there. So when I'm getting inside, you wanna see what I'm going to do, but there is some work which is remaining that I have not finished. Not yet, guys. Look at this door. So they have been closed. So by that time when you are a kid, we came and play here with my friend. So you can see they have been welding guy came and banned. So you can see even here. So you can't go inside there. So guys, today's videos, it's all about quick tour to my uncle's house, you know. So I need to do some cleanness there and all stuff, and I hope my uncle, he was the first one to comment on these videos for today. And I wake up in the morning, so I wear this jacket, and my uncle's area is over here, so I want to slash this part here. So but when I'm standing here, you can see to my uncle, you see, full of grasses, full of tall bushes here. So I came to slash inside and going other side, you know. Sure. Zoni mboga? Wani mboga na sisi hatujui.
Mboga kihanga.
Hizi? Hiki kina kuliwa. Na sisi tuko tunakata ni kingi, tunadani ni mau.
Hii yote. Kwenda huko.
Sasa ungepanda chuni ndo naona ndo safi. Una hii.
Sasa ningekuwa na ngazi ya kupanda.
So ungekuja hata na mti, ukate mtu unavuta.
Sasa nimeona tu hata.
Hii unaenda kuuza?
Eh.
Oh, okay. Guys, slippery veggies, and as here we believe is a flowers. Okay, man. All right, guys. So I'm heading this way, and we have plenty of kales here. So let me show you. So by that time, past years, this guy were being rich for sure, guys. So wow, guys. So over here we have some kales and everything. There's some kales here. Wow. So guys, I found that mama, they peeled some veggies, and as here we believe it's flowers, guys. We have so many of them. Kales. Another one here. Slippery stuff over here we called mrenda. So guys, mrenda is in Swahili word, and guys, I give you this tour, this quick tour to my uncle's house where he built, but we stopped it for some few months and I think we shall resuming there, and I just give you a memorable or a flashback. I was by that time I was a handman and I was working seriously, and at the same time I make some videos. There is one word said, how can I save 2 masters at the same time? But me, I managed to save 2 masters at the same time. Wow, guys, here you must be very careful. This is a borehole here. Wow, guys. This one here. Let's see. It's a borehole, guys. So I'm just to show you. This one, look. When you make a mistake, your life have been gone. So by that time, I was saving 2 masters at the same time, making vlog, working at my uncle's construction, and the end of the day, he paid me a good money. So the good thing is, when I was working there, I was paying the phone, and then I ate lunch. I'm waiting with the money to upload my videos. By that time I was using a loan phone, and imagine, guys, I'm trying to manage to upload my videos. And in our village here, guys, we didn't have public Wi-Fi. You must have your money to buy some datas, and other guys, they have some Wi-Fi. So when we go there, when he found you, and maybe he give you some few minutes and then he can disconnect. But nowadays, guys, hey, I thank God. So you can see there's some perimeter wall here. So it stay here over 20 years here. Imagine since I was young, guys. Alright, so I'm heading this way. I'll see the dog. African dog. So it's passing that way. Wow. So this is the starting of my uncle's perimeter wall over here. So I can come and slash it alone, and then, you know, well, this is the back, the bones, jaw bones of the cow. So because we have some butchers and slaughter's house, so the dog must bring those stuff here. And guys, it just memorable, you know, from this pillar here, from this pillar up to that way, up to here, I'm the one who dig this pillar here. And by that time, guys, I'm the one who I'm start late and I finish for I'm the top scholar. I finished this by that time for digging. I'm the first person to finish to dig the foundation. And imagine I found other guy starting digging and all stuff, and I'm the last one, but I managed to finish. And that time I get first shout out, you know, so I can't complain on that. In case you're new here, go and check David Jr. He was the one who uplifted me from grass to grace, guys. I can't complain, and I must take care of his properties. And I remember there's a time we were sitting here with the mason over here. We're sitting here with the mason and then eating some githeri, porridge, mandazi, chapati within here. And I remember on this shed here. So I'm heading inside there so to check what is going on, guys. So in case you're new here, this is where Chef Matiko lives, old home. So but now he migrated the new one. Currently who's staying here, over here. This is Chef Matiko's home over here, guys. And I remember we have a borehole here. So during construction, we are fetching water here and cure some slab down there on the floor. So try to imagine, guys. So this is where things we starting from here. And we have some public borehole here which bring a lot of problems. Dangote, this one here, it's public borehole which have been drilled, and by that time we have been given a lot of chaos in our village here. Hey, wow. Yeah, so this is how they prepare some hooves of the cow. So we call soup, guys. Let me sit on this traditional stool here. Oh, guys, so I came and to check. Yeah? Yes, Hey, this is the hooves of the cow, guys. And then he cut into pieces. And the final, he make the soup on this soup right here. If we are Israelite, we call this metallic stuff soup, but in our village here we call sufuria. Wow. Over here, you know.
You are the chef.
I'm the chef. So guys, I must squeeze some firewood over here. So hey, Dango. Can see, guys. Yes. Okay, me, I'm just passing and saying hi to you. Okay. So I'm going to slash at my uncle's site, okay, and then I will come late.
Okay, later.
Yes. It's after this, they're gonna put inside there. Okay, Dangot. Yes, these are small smoke kitchen here. So I'm taking to my uncle's site, and then all shall be good, guys. Whew. So I'm heading this way, guys. Okay. I feel so tired, but guys, I'll try to slash inside here. Whew. So there's no place you can pass, but I'm trying to jump over here. How can I pass here? Hey. So guys, let me pause these videos and then I want to jump over. Alright, guys. Oh my god, how am I going to start from? And I remember recently, like 2 months and a half past, I was came and slashing here. So guys, how am I going to do? So just give me some idea, guys. Someone on the top of this BM here. Alright, so guys, just a minute. I'm going down, guys. Wow, and then I jump over here. There is a time I came and slash here. So I see these things is growing fast. Wow, guys. So look, imagine. So this is the work. This is my work of today, but I left this side because I have some flashback. And there's a time I came here. I slashed from the far end coming that way, you know. So I need to continue because there is some tall bushes there. Maybe some dangerous animal can hide inside. Okay, guys, the staircase over here. This is the staircase. These are metallic. So going up and going that way, all stuff. And this guy is D12. Let me see, D16. When I'm not wrong, let me show you. This 1-6, this D16. So construction is not jokes, guys. Even me, I have some project there for digging some toilet. I've already finished, but I'm working on materials, guys. Imagine I came and slash all stuff here, all this stuff. If you think I'm lagging, look at this. You see, I cut this whole stuff down, and from that far end coming that way, I'm slashing, and then I reach at the point, I think on this pillar here. So hey, whew, look guys, look, it's look like a bushes. Hey, even me, I'm scared guys. I can't go inside there. Wow. Where I'm going to starting from guys. Can I start from this way or continue on this way guys? Wow. So, and I left my panga on the welding guy so he can sharpen it, and then I came to slash this. So let's move, and then I finish this part. So for the next I will come back, but it's a kind of shock guys. I slashed this less than 2 months and a half, and then look the way they are. Wow guys. So the reason why I came here to slash, and at the same time I came to check this pipe, you know, this pipe, this one here. All right, I see the pier is okay, it's all right. And we know when you are not coming back and check all stuff here, there's some those boys, they can cut some steel bar and go and sell it in scrapers shop. Wow guys, this is what it is guys. I still like this place, and it's a kind of shock here. Wow. Even when if guys, if you don't believe on me, go and check my videos when I'm making cleanness at my uncle's construction. You wanna see, I cleaned this place, but nowadays look. Well, let's first working on the other side, and then we came maybe tomorrow or other day I will clean here. So, wow, it really shocked me. So guys, I'm going to the welding guy to see whether he have already finished to sharpen my panga, and I came to slash those tall trees there, and it's a local trees, but we didn't want them in the construction, you know. Well guys, so I'm heading this way. Imagine guys, I slash everything. Look at this. So we have some balance stones over here. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, so stay tuned, more amazing videos coming, and let me know in the comment section what did you think about on these videos for today. And kindly guys, pray for my mama. She wanna recover and continue with her work guys. Pray for me. You know, your prayer are very, very important to me. So guys, I need your prayer to my family, and I hope all shall be well guys. Wow. Alright guys, so I came and check whether my pang have been sharpening here, and on this welding here guys. Yeah. What do you think?
This one, sharpening. You look smart. Yes.
Okay, introduce you.
My name is Mohoria. Mohoria. Mohoria YouTube channel is Mohoria. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support my work. If you have any project in Abuhanse, all about the country, please comment to my YouTube channel. Then you give me You give me direct where you are, then we'll come to do for you a job. A good job.
Okay, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, it's the meter box over here. So I came, guys, to sharpen my bang over here. So I'm going to slash at my ankle. So because that trees need a lot of sharpening or sharp stuff. Sound better. Aye.
Thank you, thank you.
Aye.
Thank you.
Okay. So this is the hospital that I bring my mama over here. So I'm going, guys, to slash. Wow, guys. So let's use this route over here. Okay. Panga is okay, guys. Tara. Ngambi vitoke na rekia Mungu. Hey.
How is you?
Wow. Ngambi vitoke na resare banda. Hivi mena na ni biromba.
Take two bananas.
Tu banana. Yana repino ndari ni got. Maka na koraka. Rongo atukuri kushiba. I take my breakfast. You have to meet with Irish. Okay, Sarah. Yeah, I'm going to go. Okay. Ah, they are manganaga oga you. Guys, imagine I bought these 2 bananas here, so I'm going to work. So this is where my mama sells some tomatoes and all stuff, guys. Here, even here, guys. And during market day, it will be here. So I'm going, guys, to stay somewhere else and have my breakfast here. I think 2 bananas is enough for me, and I will get some energy to work. Now, guys, so I'm heading on this hotel here.
Mary.
Yango te tibirahe.
Ibirenge. Sasa gongo kubitura.
Mwanamke mrembo.
Unamchukua nani?
Mimi nataka kukula.
Nani umrusha TikTok?
Nikurushe TikTok. Sasa nikutafutia bwana hiyo utapata mzungu.
Bwana gani? Sitaki bwana.
Unataka nini?
Tumepesa kwenda namba ya simu.
Nikupe ndizi. Achone ndizi utakimbilia.
Ona, nimeona hapa tuma pesa kimataifa.
Okay, guys, so let me have some breakfast over here.
Ata. Ona. Unasikia? Mimi kweli kichwa yangu ina stress. Kumbe ilikuwa hapa na sioni.
Iko
Kama nimenunua nyama nimeacha buchani nimekuja hivyo nikarudi tena.
Wow, guys, so I hope I've already finished taking my breakfast, and this is the panga here. So I came from the welding guy. He's sharpening for me, as you can see. So I hope you wanna enjoy this vlog for today and be with me. So because today I didn't have the cameraman, and I hope I can try my own best. So I hope you have some hint. I'm going to slash here. So I don't have place to place my camera, but let's try, guys, and see. Maybe over here, and all shall be good. So I'm trying to press my camera here. So guys, just a minute, and I think all shall be good. Wow, guys, because guys I didn't have the cameraman, and you have some clue that I'm come to slash here. Wow, guys, so give me some time. I can reach there. So I want to remove my sweater, and oh guys, sorry for interruption. You know, here I just struggle as I learn. Alright guys, so because I didn't have the cameraman and I'm just alone here, so I press the camera there, so I cut these trees down. Wow. So here you might found, guys, here you might find some some crazy animal here. You see? So I'm trying to slash this. Wagwan. Woo, guys. So I'm just alone here. Today is today, guys. So be with me. I'm the cameraman here. Wow. I hope you see me clear. You get me better. Wow, guys. Yeah, like that. So that's my work of today here. Oh. Cutting down trees. And oh, guys, sorry for interruption a little bit, but I hope you see what I'm doing here. So guys, I'm alone and I didn't have the cameraman to hold for me a camera, so you see I cut here. Yeah, so it's slowly by itself. Wow, even this one here, I cut them down. Wow. Wow, guys, you see the way they fall down. Look at this. Wow. Yup, guys. Even this, it can interfere with the perimeter wall. These trees here, you see? So we don't want you anymore here. And what? Hey. Oh. Wow. And finally it fall down. Yeah. So I cut it into down. And maybe when my uncle came here, they could able to see the perimeter wall, guys. Look at this. Wow, guys. So let's go for the next part. Hey. It's not a serious, it's not a joke, guys. Look at this. So let me go on the other side. Wow. Guys, I forget to come with the gumboot, but it is what it is, guys. I cut it slowly. So tomorrow we come with the gumboot, guys. So don't mind on that. So I look the best way. Don't mind on that, but it's because my brother washed my gumboot. So here is a dangerous place for now. So I'll come and show you what is going on here, and then I'll come with gumboot tomorrow morning. So I will slash this stuff down, because I have already sharpened the pan, you know. Wow. Imagine. So I'm trying to cut it down like that way. Oh. Ooh. Wow, guys, I'm the one who hold the camera, cutting trees which are not supposed to be here, like this one. Don't mind, guys, you know. Don't mind, please. These trees are not supposed to be here. All right, guys. Well, guys, and I think I've already finished to cut the tall trees down. So you can see from this part here, so I've already cut it down, and then going other side, because the more you go, you have some tall grass like this bush. So I'm not trust on that place, because we don't know what an animal are inside there. So tomorrow morning I will come with my gumboot and overall, so I will work. And I think right now it's 11:54 a.m. That's my local time here. So you see, guys, 11:54. So that is my local time. So we are heading to noon time, and I think this is not the right time to slash there. So I came randomly to slash. I want to cut down some grass, whichever the case, and I think I'll come tomorrow, guys. So even right now I had my body to inch myself. So I will come tomorrow with my full compact overall, gumboot, and also my barret, guys. I don't forget, it's remind during that place here when I was working. So guys, I want to say stay tuned, more amazing videos coming, guys. Well, guys, so I came inside my house, and I need to take my breakfast again. So I hope I was working at my uncle, so I take two banana, and at the same time I found one of my friends. I give her one banana. She's a lady, and I want to take my breakfast over here. So today, and then the work of today is to push this red sun away. So because I give some people here work, and then they run, and guys, imagine I pay him money. He's not working for me for free. So we make a contract, and at the end of the day he ran out of my job. So guys, my mama, she went to the medication or to the injection. He was not around, I think so. So let me have breakfast, Whew. Oh man. Oh, this is my tea here. Wow. Eh. Okay guys, welcome for my breakfast guys here. It's cold, so or it's warm. I drink like water because I have my artificial teeth, these two here. So I don't want to take too much hot of food stuff, you know, or hard food. One more. Oh guys. So let's take this, and I think by now my brother, he can hold for me a camera and push some sand, you know, and put aside, because there is a time I can demolish this house here, this one that you see, this old house, to build maybe the house, a nice house maybe for the visitor. When you pay a visitor, you can have free accommodation to sleep and all stuff. All right guys. Hey. So guys, I need to take the wheelbarrow outside and all stuff. The wheelbarrow is there, so we borrowed from our neighbor. So let's clean here. There's a mark here, so I need to wipe them. You know guys, when these tiles are white, you must be very clean. You must be very don't mind guys. So here I put some small carpet because it's too cold here. Yes guys, so I make some cleanness here, and then I will go outside. Oh guys, don't mind here. So I put some small carpet here because it's too cold. Okay guys. Guys, this is how I do things in my village here. All some activities, you know, all stuff, man. Yes, even the doorstep, we must clean it. Guys, this is how I do, you know. So okay, and I put here time. Yeah guys, so I'm calling my brother, yeah, to come and hold for me a camera. Whew. Put this aside, man. Hey, I hope guys you wanna enjoy my movement at my village here. So I take this, I want to squeeze a little bit some sand. Alright guys, so stay tuned, more amazing videos coming. So I'm heading outside and to do all stuff. So I want to take this wheelbarrow outside and squeeze some sand outside. So guys, I want to take this wheelbarrow outside and to guys, to squeeze some sand a little bit. I just said it, man. Yes guys, wow. Because guys, imagine I give the guy some work and we make an agreement. So he squeezed, I give him 500, and then he ran out of my job. So let's do this slowly until when I finish, you know. So I'm heading this way. Let's start here. Finish screening.
One is America by concave.
Okay. So I can do this thing so slowly until when I finish.
In horn.
Oh, guys.
In horn camera.
Hey.
Hey.
Yes, guys. You know when somebody doesn't have a job, when he requests from you, when you give him, the moment you pay him money, he think that's the end of the end of the journey. So he ran away. But so far so good. I'll dig around. Oh. My sister. Songa hang. Songa hang. Songa hang. No, here camera hands. Guys, this is my sister here. You good? Say hello.
Hello.
Okay, guys. Talk about it. As I told you, you know, wherever I am at home here, my sister must be there. The mirror. Alright, guys. So I'm trying to look a good angle because come this way. The mirror. Yep, guys. So I must I must teach my brother how to hold the camera and all stuff. So me, guys, I can squeeze sand slowly until I finish. No pressure. No pressure. Here. So I use money to dig some toilets, so no wastage of the resources like this sand here. No wastage. Alright, guys, so okay. One okay, very quick, no. For the candy boy.
Hey.
Yes, guys. So let's go. And I clear here. This is the parking area. I came for the next trip here. Okay. Alright. So let's dig one more. Talk on it. Murekano murugino manoko hoena. Mao kigali.
Ane kigali tenku murekano. Vipi mwanangu? The pin all camera can capture everything. So don't worry.
Okay. And so let's push again. Oh. Come along with me. Guys, I'm feel like I'm tired, you know. So, but I can try my best. Okay. Oh my brother, help me. Help me, bro.
Okay.
Yes. No. To squeeze this one.
Or to push?
Yes, push.
Right.
Oh guys, I'm so tired. I was slashing at my ankle and then I'm telling him to. Oh, this is my sister. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay. Oh guys.
So we are using the manual
Yes.
lift to uplift this wheelbarrow. It could be a machine. It could be very easy.
Yes, bro. You know everything in our village here. When you doesn't have money, you are nothing, guys. All right, so I hope you wanna enjoy this video for today. And actually, guys, I wanna combine these videos together from my uncle's side up to here, and then the end of the day I'll take my mama to the hospital, and I think she already go. So guys, I wanna say stay tuned. So this is my work of today here. So guys, stay tuned. May God bless you abundantly. Yes, abundantly, you know. So I'm just here. My brother is digging there. So today he didn't went to the job. Whew. This is my motorbike here. Wow. Okay guys, I hope you wanna enjoy my vlog for today, and don't mind on my shirt because I changed this shirt, so I went to the job there. So bye bye guys.